हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 5th साइबर कोड इस बुक में से एडिटिंग सेल्स कंटेंट्स इन एक्सेल 2016 इस लेसन के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्लास 5th सब्जेक्ट साइबर कोड, चैप्टर 5 एडिटिंग सेल्स कंटेंट्स इन एक्सेल 2016 एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। Question 1. Choose the correct option. 1. And dash dash cell has a green outline. Answer. Active. 2. The correct example of a cell range is dash dash. Answer. A1 to B3. 3. We can select the entire dash dash by clicking on the triangle at the top of the row header. Answer. Worksheet. 4. We use a dash dash for the selection in autofill. Answer. Fill handle. 5. We can change the contents of a cell by dash dash on that cell. Answer. Both A and B. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given clues. 1. Rectangular selection of cells that are next to each other is known as range. 2. Cell address is unique to every cell. 3. Vertical sections in a table are known as columns. 4. Row headers are indicated in the form of numbers. 5. Redo command works only if the undo command has been used before. Question 3. Write T for true and F for false. 1. To select a row, we place the mouse pointer on the row header. Answer. True. 2. Cell address is made up of a combination of row header and column header. Answer. True. 3. The default time format is minutes, hours, seconds, m/pm. Answer. False. 4. We press Ctrl plus B to select the entire worksheet. Answer. False. 5. Autofill only works for data that is in a sequence. Answer. True. Question 4. Answer the following questions. 1. What is the method of selecting a range of cells using a mouse? Answer. By clicking on the top left cell and dragging the mouse pointer to the bottom right cell. 2. Write the steps to delete the contents of a cell. Answer. Select the cell, click on the Home tab, then click on the Delete button and choose the appropriate option. Three. Write the steps to change the format of data and time. Answer. Select the cell, go to the Home tab, click on the Number Format dialog box launcher, select the desired format from the Format Cells dialog box, and click OK. 4. What are the steps for copying data? Answer. Select the cells, click on the Home tab, click on the Copy button, select the destination cell and click on the Paste button. 5. Define the autofill feature in Excel. Answer. Autofill automatically fills a series of data in rows and columns based on the data in other cells. Question 5. Write the keyboard shortcuts for the following functions in Excel. 1. To paste data. Answer. Control plus V. 2. To select an entire worksheet. Answer. Control plus A. 3. To edit a cell. Answer. F2. 4. To copy data. Answer. Control plus C.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.